One of the biggest problems I've had in the workshop is kicking cords apart. And to that end, I've tried using tape. That's cloth tape. I've tried using insulation tape. It doesn't matter. I tread on them, they break. But by using this heat shrink, I can fix that when I've got another cord to go with that one, which we'll do later on. I'm just waiting for the good people at eBay to send it to me. But in the meantime, we'll do this camera here. See how easily that comes apart. Slide it in. Make sure it's not tangled or anything. Put the other plug in. And then I actually pull it through this way rather than the other way, because that way it's not going to come out. And then you just push it in. And that is just about what I want. Turn the heat gun on. I've got this at the highest setting. And here it goes. Absolutely amazing stuff. And then when it's all nice and tight, that's when I just run the air hose over it. And that is it. Absolutely amazing. Now that won't come apart. And if I do want it to come apart, I just cut all that off and there we go. So I thought that was worthwhile sharing. I've got one, actually I'll do another one. Got another one here with my stream deck. I've got the stream deck here that's already been done. But it just does away with all the messy bits and pieces. And they've got smaller stuff for smaller couplings, if I just needed that size as a smaller one for that. But for these big extension leads that I use, I needed, I think that's 24 mil. The other one I use is 20 mil. So there you go. Hope that helps, and it's a good idea you might want to use. In the meantime, this is Steve pulling the shed door down, saying remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe, look after yourselves. Catch you later. Bye for now.